distinguished delegates of UNFCCC member countries, distinguished speaker, representative of the international institution, representative of the partner committee of the Pavilion Indonesia, participant, guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all in the talk show promoting local leadership for stronger climate action. Last year, we had the honor to host side event in Pavilion Indonesia from Indonesia that parallel to Pavilion Indonesia in COP29 UNFCCC at Glasgow, United Kingdom. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the delegates of the UNFCCC, member countries, speaker, committee, and all our participants that attend today, both factual and virtual. Your participation is very important for the discussion and sharing of information on social forestry and climate action. Distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, from the climate change perspective, Indonesia, which has an area and a strategic location, including the potential and its forest area, is considered very important in effort to mitigate and adapt to global climate change. Social forestry plays important role in reducing greenhouse gas emission level from the forestry sector. Globally, this contribution is implemented through effort to reduce emission from deforestation, forest degradation, and increase carbon stock at a community level. The social forestry program is a part of a large and long narrative of the government of Indonesia effort to democratize community-based forest management to decrease poverty, reduce deforestation, and end forest land conflict by providing opportunity by local communities to manage their forests and developing sustainable livelihood in and around forests. And in 2022, the inclusion of the social forestry in the Job Creation Law number 11/2020 and its implementing regulation on the Ministry of Environment and Forestry Decree number 9/2021 regarding social forestry management has been focusing more on the community welfare and to ensure fair access and sustainable forest management with the principle of ecological balance, economic equity, social justice, and community well-being. From the initial target of the forest area for the program was 12.7 million hectares, the achievement of the social forestry program has been increasing significantly every year. As of October 2022, more than 5 million hectares of forest area have been distributed to be legally managed by more than 1.1 million households. By granting legal access, it is hoped that the forest community could improve their welfare while increasing the quality of the forest. Social forestry is provided in a form 5 social forestry streams, namely community forest, village forest, community plantation forest, forestry partnership, and adat forest. Community who have received legal access then establish business group called social forestry business group to conduct business such as agroforestry, silvofisheries, silvopasture, agroforestry, and environmental services. Distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, at the site, the local forestry community has implemented sustainable forest management practices that support climate change mitigation and adaptation action through, first, reduction emission from deforestation, second, reducing emission from forest degradation, the third, conservation of carbon stock, and the fourth, sustainable forest management, and last but not least, increasing forest carbon stock. Through social forestry, the rate of deforestation that changes land use from primary forest to non-forest area can be reduced. Likewise, with the degradation which can be suppressed because of the community can manage the area sustainably. Thus, the quality of the forest is relatively maintained even though it is used by the community, and in the end it can be reduced greenhouse gas emission. The success of social forestry practices to protect forest area and effort to reduce emission, of course, cannot be separated from the role of the local champion as a catalyst to that strengthen community social capital. To present of the local champion who is trusted by the local community also play important role to gain trust along community member to community group. However, social capital also become the source of adaptive capacity. The local value of the community is still important for social capital that can enact and gain awareness among community to preserve their area. Ladies and gentlemen, in the context of social forestry in Indonesia, there are several types of local champion. The first, we have what we call as environmental warrior. We call it as Kalpataru, which is a local champion that already had acknowledgement from the President of the Indonesia. The second, social forestry facilitator. The third, forest community leader, and many more type of social warrior in terms of social forestry. They act as a motivator, mediator, and companion in managing areas, institutions, and community business activities. Ladies and gentlemen, local champion possess strong dedication in helping to realize fair forest and land planning. Those local champion is not seen as a superhero, but they have a commitment to equality in managing their forest and its ecosystem. And in order to strengthen the link between social forestry and the issue of the climate change, the great potential of this local champion can be opportunity to strengthen the capacity of the natural communities to carry out mitigation and adaptation effort. Distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, as importantly, I would like to take this opportunity to show my sincere appreciation to the speaker who have responded to the invitation and confirmed participation in this ZAID event. I would like also to extend my special thanks to organizing committee as host of a Pavilion Indonesia for their tireless and active support to make this important event happen. And I hope this talk show will enhance our knowledge, information, and be a good start for further partnership. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.